And you're trapped, Blue Mouse. All right.
Yo, yo, yo. Now I'm wondering how else I could have spent the last dozen millennia.
Boom, boom, happy 4th of July. Really fun, really
Kid-friendly TV.
Hey guys, it's Whitney. We're gonna open it.
Alright kids, we're here. You can go ahead and exit the bus. Watch out for the rain.
This block is red.
You'll see this. Let me
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, apples and oranges, presenting Max Lunch.